everybody. We are coming to you from the Tropicana in Atlantic City. We are in the South Tower in the corner executive room. So let me show you around. So when you first come in, here is a closet, ironing board, sink, laundry bag. And we have been staying in the room, so it's not spotless, so I do apologize in advance. Normally we try to do it at the beginning, but we didn't. Full-size mirror. And then when you walk in here, here's the bathroom. And a large walk-in shower. I am not sure what that is. It was there when we got here, so I'm just leaving it. And then when you come out, here's the TV, some drawers, there's a mini fridge, coffee maker. There's also 2 Starbucks on property. Little seating area. So, man, this is the corner executive room. It is really big. Here is the king bed, really comfortable. There's plugs on every nightstand. And then the windows are filthy and it's kind of overcast. It's real early in the morning right now. But here is the view of the ocean and the boardwalk. I think Days Inn is right here. Part of the city. And we come over here. There's one and then more plugs in the light. So we're very happy with this room. It's real big, it's very comfortable, real close to the casino, the South Tower, so we love it. All right, see you later. So this is the very next day. We're actually about ready to check out, but it's not as cloudy. So I wanted to show you a view from the window. Much better from when I tried to film it the other day. So yeah, so it's real sunny, it's nice. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now, so it's still very sleepy out on the boardwalk and on the beach, but it looks really pretty. All in all, we love the room. Comfortable bed, really clean. Tropicana is great, so I highly recommend staying here. Bye guys.